Welcome to this week's video. As mentioned, I haven't been posting as much recently, but it is the day before Halloween, October 30th, 2023. Tomorrow is probably the scariest day in the world. Every year happens Halloween. We've got people in costumes, kids going trick-or-treating. Nothing better to do than to trade this market on this day. So as we can see over here, it could have been a trick for many people. It could have been a treat for many people as well. So enough with that. Let's jump into it. So today we're looking at Tesla. Tesla's a very popular traded stock, extremely popular traded. As we can see over here, we're going to zoom out and we're going to pull back and we're going to zoom in. As we can see, the market starts to drop. It breaks our pre-market low of the day, which is good news. It breaks it right there. Could be a great entry point. However, it pulls back up and it breaks our pre-market high. So where are you going? Like, how do you trade this market? Well, you can either hold on to the trade, which I recommend not doing, or you can play small trades and take a minor loss or take a minor profit. As we can see over here, this would be a great entry point. Moment you realize that market is turning around, close out of the trade. And probably right around here is a good entry point, but it touches our level over here, so I wouldn't trade that. The next entry point would be right around here. As we can see, comes back up. This could be a point where you might start to doubt yourself. You might see that the market is turning around, and the moment you see it turning around, you might want to exit it because you want to hold on to your profits, the small profits that you may have, and not lose anything, which you can do, and you can always re-enter, which is what many people do. But to those who are patient, those who know how to deal with this uncertainty, they'd probably stay in the trade. And the same comes with this over here. So take, for example, if you entered in over here and you saw that the market was turning around, you might have closed out over here. And then turns back around, you may have re-entered around here, and then you can see it comes back up over here, and then it drops. So when it comes to these trades, it's important to understand that it's okay to close out at a less profitable area. That's not, sometimes you might close at a profitable point, but it might not be the most profitable point. Obviously, ideally, you want to get to the most profitable point. Take, for example, the best place to exit a trade today, if you were in a short, would be over here. But not that many people would. Many people might exit the trade right around here. The moment they see that it hits low, turns back around, and then breaks above our level right here, they might exit the trade there and then re-enter. But either way, that's still profitable, still good. Depending on how many shares you have will obviously determine how much you make that day. So keep in mind that when it comes to trading, if you're a beginner, it's very important to remember to trade one share. And if you are going to trade, then trade live or trade on demand with TD Ameritrade. Don't trade a demo account. A demo account is not accurate. It's fixed and it's flawed so that it will make you appear to be more profitable and better than you are. It's better to trade on a live account with live information, with instant execution, instead of execution happening in your favor with a delay. Even if you have real-time data set up on a demo account, it's flawed information. So trade live, trade with one share, or trade live on demand. That being said, that's it for the day. Hope you guys had a good trading day. I am signing out.